By the end of this video, you're going to know how to use Chatbase to create custom AI agents in just a few seconds. And the best part about this is that you don't have to be some type of coding wizard or anything like that. You're going to be able to build these agents and deploy them on your website almost immediately. And you can create agents that handle customer support tickets, book calls for you, and so much more. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use this tool and 5 use cases that are going to blow your mind. So here's how easy it is for you to start building out your own agents with Chatbase. So what you're going to do is you're literally just going to sign up, and you're going to see this screen right here that says create new agent. There are a few things that you could do here. You could add in files, you could add in text, you could add in a website and it will crawl it. You could add in Q&A or a Notion document. Now from here, you're going to click on create agent, and then it's going to bring you to a screen that looks exactly like this. And from here, there are tons and tons of things that you can do. So let's actually dive into this. First and foremost, you can come into settings right here where you can name your agent. You could choose what model it's using. You could choose what instructions you're going to put in here, what temperature you want this to have. Do you want it to be very reserved or do you want it to be creative? And then we could come over here to chat interface. You could change what the initial message is. You could change different suggested messages. You could change the message placeholder, whether or not it's collecting feedback, whether or not it's regenerating messages. You could put a little footer right here. You could change the theme. You could change the display name. You could even add a chat icon or a profile picture and change all the different colors. Essentially, you are going to be able to customize anything that you want to see under here. Now, if we come into security, you'll see that you can check the visibility, you can do a rate limit, and you can also show a message when too many messages are actually sent. If we come into leads right here, you can collect leads and tell them exactly how they could contact you and what information you want to get. You could get notifications under here. For example, you could receive an email with the daily leads or the daily conversations that you had. And if you come into webhooks right here, you will be able to set up webhooks and you'll be able to set up custom domains. Now, the reason that this is so great for being able to scale, or if your website is scaling like crazy, is how much you can actually change this. So we could come back in over here and we could change all the different sources. Are there new questions? Did you launch a new product? Do you have new services? Or maybe you updated one of your customer service policies. You literally just come in here and you can change any of that. In addition, if you come into activity right here, you could see all the different chat logs. You could see all the different leads and chats. You can see something very similar. What countries, what pages, what channels. If we come up here, we could see whether or not messages have a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You could see all the different topics that are being spoken about and the different sentiment that your users are having. And again, if we come into actions right here, you can also set up a bunch of different integrations. For example, if we come in here, you can integrate this with Slack, you could integrate it with Stripe, with Calendly, with Sunshine, with Zendesk. So you can literally set up support tickets in here. You could have these different conversations, trigger Slack messages, or you could send them the link to the Calendly so that this can actually book out calls. And as you could see, there are literally tons of things that you could do in here. And if you come in a playground here, this is actually one of my favorite features. If we come up here to compare, guess what you'll be able to do? You'll be able to compare different changes that you make here. For example, maybe we want to change the model and use GPT-4.1 on one versus 4.0. Or maybe you want to use Claude, or you want to use Gemini, or you want to use Grok, or you want to use Llama or DeepSeek. Guess what? You will be able to switch through those different models and see how it actually affects how your bot is responding so that you are able to, in real time, be able to optimize this. Now, before I get into the 5 use cases that are going to completely blow your mind, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Chatbase right now. Now, use case number 1 here is the ability for Chatbase to actually allow for smart escalations. This is going to allow this to check the chat to see what they should actually do in order to solve this user's problem. Do they have a technical question, in which case it can actually respond to it and solve it for it, or maybe it needs to escalate to creating a ticket. For example, if we watch right here, I was charged twice for my monthly subscription. We're sorry this happened. I'll connect you to our billing department. And then what this actually does is it goes through what it should do. So it recognizes that there was a customer issue. It pulls up Zendesk, and guess what? It can actually get a ticket created, and then that ticket can even be routed to the right department, and it tells the user what number their ticket is, and it says when a team member is going to reach back out to them. And guess what this does? It drastically makes makes the customer experience way better and increase the odds that people don't actually freak out or have a problem with your brand or go to social media and talk bad about your brand, because guess what? They were able to get customer support pretty much 24/7 and have their ticket escalated to the right people. I hate nothing more than when I go through customer service and I just get brought to the wrong place and then they have to reroute me somewhere else. But you don't have to worry about that if you're using Chatbase to build out these AI agents, because it makes customer support way better. Now, if you like that use case, you are going to love this next one that actually allows us to book calls. Let's say that somebody rings in to your customer service agent and they say that they want to book a call. Again, this is going to go through and determine what should they do. Should they apply a discount for the customer, make them happy? Should it create a ticket, or should it give the calendar so that they can actually book a call? And what we just saw is that it selected the right feature and then gives a calendar where they can choose a day, they can choose a time slot, and then from there, they're going to get a call booked instantly. This is going to be great for driving revenue. This is going to be great for sales presentations. It's great for collecting leads, and it's great to make sure that your customer gets the answer to their actual question. Maybe they didn't have customer support, but they wanted to talk to sales about upgrading or about signing up. Now they'll be able to do that because they can book a call straight through this AI agent. Now, before we get into the 3 next use cases that are only going to get more and more mind-blowing, I wanted to remind you how much money is lost every year due to poor customer service. And it's about $3.7 trillion annually. And the reason for this is because they reduce spending, they abandon your brand, or they switch to competitors. And again, Chatbase is going to help you defend against all that so you can turn what is a loss for most companies into more loyal customers. Which brings me to use case number 3, which is that this basically gives you an AI agent that people can contact 24/7. I'm going to show you off of this. I'm on Chatbase's website right here, and this is what Chatbase would look like if you built your own AI agent with it and put it on your own website. You could see that I am being prompted right here, and I'm going to be able to click into this and then see exactly what I can do under here. For example, I want to know if there's a free plan. So I'm going to go ahead and say, is there a free plan? Now remember, so many businesses lose money because they don't have customer service. Either they work odd hours or it takes way too long for them to get to them. And look what I just got here. I got an answer immediately. I said, is there a free plan? Yes, there is a free plan. Here's what you're going to get. It's a great way to try Chatbase and see if it fits your needs. If you have any other questions or want to know any other details, please just let me know. I'm going to say, what are some use cases? And again, this is now going to walk us through a bunch of use cases. I did not have to wait for an agent to become available. I did not have to wait until business hours. I was able to get my questions answered immediately, and you are going to be able to have the same exact thing happen for your customers, for your leads, for your prospects, once you start using one of these agents on your website also. And as we can see here, all these different use cases: customer support, lead gen, e-com assistance, content discovery, internal knowledge base, appointment booking, user onboarding, and so many more. Because like I said, this is just a few examples. Now, use case number 4 is going to be using this in order to drive additional revenue. So let's think about this. Let's say that I was a prospect coming to chatbase.co. Now, obviously, you could do the same exact thing with your ideal audience. Again, they're going to click on here because maybe they have some questions. Maybe I want to come over here and I want to ask this, can I employ this agent on my custom domain? Because that's the number one thing that I want to know. So I am going to click on this. Now what this is going to do is it is going to answer my question. And at this point, I'm going to tell it, I am ready to buy. Where can I sign up for free? Now what this is going to do is this is going to go ahead and point me in the exact direction and give me step-by-step instructions. So go to this website, click on get started or sign up, create an account. It's quick and easy. Once you're signed up, you'll automatically begin on the free plan and you could start building your first AI agent. Let me know if you need any help along the way. So the last thing I'm going to ask is I'm going to say, how would you use this if you were me? Run a marketing agency and I want to use it to get more leads / make sure my clients are happy. So what this is now going to do is brainstorm a few different ways. That's a fantastic use case. And then it's going to actually walk me through how I could actually use this tool. And as we can see here, this is incredibly helpful. It gives really good answers. It gives step-by-step answers. And once you add this to your website, it is going to help you drive more revenue because more people are going to have their questions answered and they're not just going to abandon your website because they didn't see what they wanted. Now, the last and final use case for this is that it can help your prospects or your customers with any billing related questions. Let's say somebody wants a refund, or they want a partial refund, or they're having an issue. They could just reach out to your chat in order to see what the status of that refund is, if they could get a refund, and so much more. For example, if we see this right here, it says, hey, can you check if my payment went through for this order? And then what this did was went and referenced Stripe, because Stripe is an integration and they have actions around Stripe. And then guess what? It was able to see your payment has been successfully processed. You should receive an email confirmation shortly. Or if somebody asks for a refund, guess what? This can actually process a refund on their behalf. Or if they have to create a ticket for that refund, guess what it can do? It can go ahead, it can make that ticket in Zendesk, give them the ticket number, and then route that to the correct people in your company in order to escalate this and get this refund processed immediately, so that your customers overall have a way better experience, all as a result of this AI agent that you can train on all of your data, on all of your processes, and on all the conditions that you want it to understand. So what are you waiting for? If you want to be able to streamline your customer service and the experience that your prospects and customers have when they come to your website, you need to make sure that you go to the pinned comment below and start building out AI agents with Chatbase today. And if you want to learn exactly how you can add Chatbase to your website in just a few seconds, I check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how you put your brand new agent on your own website. I'll see you over there.